This is a videotape inspection of the 2001 Haas SL-20T. The spindle run right now. Just beef it up a little bit here. Next we'll go ahead and run it to its paces. Z-axis. The X-axis. Nice and quiet. We'll go ahead and do a turret change. Tailstock. This is the rapid. The chip auger. Tool touch off. Work it in all directions. This does have a brand new monitor in it. The not the CRT, but the conversion to LCD, which looks nice. With the floppy, we do have the coolant pump and the tank. Foot pedals. It does have a parts catcher on it. We'll get a look on the inside here. And we get the serial number here, which is 63654, manufactured in 01. It's a 208-230 machine. This concludes the video presentation of the 2001 Haas SL-20T.